Alright, good evening. So here am I again vlogging this Ali Saifudin Mosque and the new park in Brunei Darussalam in Bandar Seri Begawan. So when I first vlogged this to you, okay, I vlog it in the morning. And now you can see the view in the night. Alright, so it's quite good to see during night time. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Okay, nature, travel, and foods. Okay, I'll bring you around. Okay, from this area. Okay, so this is how it looks in the night. Okay, yeah. So that's the river. Okay, and that's the whole area of the park, and that is the Ali Saifudin Mosque. Okay, and that is the Yayasan complex. Okay, and that's the bridge. Okay, right. So at the back, okay, yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so it's quite really good. Okay, yeah, so this is the view during night time. Yeah, so again, uh, yeah, so the Majestic Ali Saifudin Mosque during night. Okay, take a look at it. Okay, so if you plan to visit Brunei Darussalam, this is a good place to look at. Yeah, all right, so I hope you're enjoying what I'm showing you in our videos here in our YouTube channel, nature, travel, and foods, right? So right now actually they are praying. Okay, as you can see the background, as you can hear the background. Okay, right, so yeah, so it's a very nice place, huh? It's a very nice place, my dear friends. Okay, so if you want to visit Brunei, okay, come and visit this in the night, right? So uh, thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe on our YouTube channel, nature, travel, and foods. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so someone is passing by, right? So it's a nice place to visit actually, right? So this is Junuse from Brunei Darussalam. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, right? Nature, travel, and foods. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good day.